So, hello guys. Uh, the problem number 5 is you are employed at three-story mall that has been operated for 5 years. Since its opening, there has been no maintenance performed on network infrastructure or end-user devices. Wi-Fi can easily hack and used for cybercrimes. Eventually, all the devices failed. As a solution, the mall manager purchased 35 new computer units along with 10 switches and 3 routers, one PT router and two 2811 router, which are to be distributed across the 3 floors for network configuration. Only OSPF, Open Shortest Path First, is to be used. Your task is to design a new network accordingly. So, says there that uh, we will use 35 PC. So dito, nag-design na ako kanina kasi masyadong madami. 35 PC for 3 routers and 10 switches. So, assuming that this is the first floor. Okay, so connect na muna natin sila. Yan. Okay. And then, connect naman natin siya dun sa uh, isang switch to connect to router 0. Okay, so maglagay pala muna tayo ng modules in two routers which is yung 2811 na router kasi wala pa yung serial port. So on, then yung isa from natin and okay. So maglagay na tayo ng IP for PC under first floor. So gamit tayo ng class A and .0.0.2 .2 kasi yung .1 will become the default gateway. Then, sunod-sunod lang since nasa isang network lang sila. Yan. 5, 1. 5 is between 6. Excuse me. Parang kamali tayo ng gulay. So, 4 dapat. Then, 5 to 6. So, ito yung natin siya na kabila. From 7, 1, 8. And number 9. Then, 10. Okay. So plus is 11. So, ilalagay naman natin ngayon yung default gateway natin dun sa fast ethernet 0/0 kasi dun naka-connect yung switch na naka-connect sa ating mga PC. So, okay, makikita natin nagka-agree na sila lahat. So, hintayin natin yan, and while waiting, ko-connect natin yung mga PC under second floor. Ayan, ayan, ito dito. So, sa second floor, meron tayong 15 na PC. Ayan. Okay. So, i-connect naman natin ito dito. Then, sa router. Yan. So, apat na switch mo sa second floor. While sa first floor is tatlo. So, okay. Maglagay tayo ng IP. Kung ginamit natin kanina is 10. Then, gamit naman tayo ng 20 ngayon para hindi na tayo malito. 1. Then, copy lang natin yan. Yan yung i-paste natin din mamaya kung saan nakakonect yung cable. Or, and then, 5. Yan, tutuloy lang natin dito. 5, 6. So, yun, then, lagay lang natin lahat ng IP. And then, lalagay natin yung default gateway. Mamaya, I think that's number 8. 8, then 9. So, tapos na yung dito na side. Lalagay naman natin yung IP niya for serial 0 ay fast ethernet 0/0 kasi dun nakalagay yung dun nakakonect yung switch dito. So, dito, paste. Okay, 1, then, okay, mag-green na siya. Then, sa fast ethernet, 1/0 naman, gagawa tayo ng default gateway. Tingnan natin 30. So, nagamit na yung 20. 1. Copy lang natin. Then, 1. So, yun naman ang gagamitin natin IP sa lahat ng PC. Sabay na natin to ng 2. Then, default gateway to 1. Okay. Lagay lang natin lahat. 3. Then, 4. 5. Then, 6. 7, then 8. Okay. So, kita nyo, green na lahat yung full second floor, meaning na connect natin na maayos mga um, router to PC. So, next is yung third floor. I-connect lang natin ulit sa switch. Kagaya ng first floor, tatlong switch ang ginamit natin dito and 10 na PC. So, 10 sa first floor, 15 sa second, and 10 ulit sa third floor. Total of 35 PC in a 3-story building. Ayan. Then, connect lang natin siya sa switch para isang IP na lang gamit na. Okay. So, nagamit natin yung 10, 20, and 30. Dito naman, gagamit tayo ng 40. 40, 0.2. See, that one is for our default gateway unit. 1. Yan. Then, i-distribute lang natin sa lahat ng PC under floor 2. Yan lang natin lahat. Or this will be 5. 6. Then, tuloy natin. This is 7. Kalimutan yung default gateway. 8. Then, 1. Naman balik tayo. 1 and 9. Then, 10. And last is 11. Okay, so ilagay lang din natin yung default gateway natin sa class Ethernet 0/0 kasi doon nakakonect yung switch natin dito. Okay, so hintayin na natin yan mag-green and while waiting, i-connect na natin yung mga routers natin. So, tandaan kung saan siya nakalagay. Meron dito. Yung router dito, connection niya sa router na sa first floor is sa 3/0. While sa connection niya, yung third floor is 3/0. So, doon naman tayo maglalagay ngayon ng mga IP address. Okay? So, dito, lagay muna tayo ng IP sa serial. Lagay tayo ng 192.168.15.0. Gawin natin 1. 1. Copy lang natin. Use natin yung clock rate ng 64. 1. Then, lagay natin dito sa 2/0 din. Isang din, gawin natin 2. Then, 64,000 na clock rate. So, dalawa to, okay na. Nagawa naman natin ng serial yung sa taas. 192.168 kanina 50, ngayon naman 60, then 1. Copy lang natin. Then adjust natin ng 64,000. Yan, puti. Lagyan naman natin dito yung dot 2, katuloy ng dot 1. Then 64,000 na kaki. Okay, so nakikita natin na nag-green na silang lahat. And ngayon, ready na tayo for CLI. So, unahin natin yung nasa baba. Type exit. Then, OSPF ang gamit natin. So, router OSPF. OSPF1. Then, network na connect sa router natin, which is 10.0.0.0. Wildcard mask 0.255.255.255. Then, area 0. Okay, the next is yung nasa router, network 192.168.50.0. Yan, wildcard mask 0.255, no, 0.0.255, then area 0. So, tapos na. Then, yes, exit. Next is yung sa, yung sa gitna, which is 4 yung nakakonect sa kanya. So, ilalagay natin yung lahat. Type exit. Then, router OSPF 1. Then, network. Nain natin yung sa baba. 192.168.50.0. Then, 0.0.0.255. Then, area, excuse me, 0. 2, 4. Then, next natin yung router dito sa taas. From 60. Next, parehas na siya ng wildcard mask. Then, next naman is yung nasa PC na. So, network, then, no, 20, that's 0.0.0. Then, 0.255.255 for wildcard mask area 0. Next is gawin na natin itong 30. Same wildcard mask kasi class 18. Then, exit na tayo. Next is yung router. Last router. CLI. Then, exit from router OSPF 1. Connect network sa kanya. Unahin na natin yung sa router. So, yung sa serial. 192.168.60.0. 0.0.0.255 area here. Next is yung sa PC network 40. That's 0. Then wildcard mask. Ayan. Enter. Naging natin ulit. 255.255.255. 40. That's 0. 5. Then, lagyan natin yung area. Okay. Then, type exit. So, yan. Tapos natin i-manipulate lahat ng CLI ng tatlong routers. So, check natin kung gumagana na ba yung PC to PC natin in third floor. 3 story. Okay, so try mo natin dito. So, nakaka-fail. Then, try natin ulit. Okay, so successful na. Kailangan natin hintayin yun guys kasi it takes time to become successful. Gaya niyan, fail. Then, let's try it again. magsa-successful na siya. So, try naman natin sa third floor papuntang second floor. So, ganyan, fail. Then, isa pa, yan, successful na. So, try naman natin yung third floor papuntang first floor. Yan, so nag-successful na siya guys. Ah, okay, try pa natin yung isa. Dito, successful. Then, dito, okay, so it's done. The three networks in three-story building is connected. So, thank you.